How you doing, everyone? It's Kevin back with another video. We're here at the Rusty Rooster, and I got this crazy red bird sitting over there beating itself up on Julie's mirror. You tell me he's looking at himself in the mirror. Does that make sense? I don't get it. What is he doing in the mirror? Look at him. I think he sees himself thinking it's another bird, maybe wanting to beat up on himself. And again, he could be, I don't know, maybe ate something that made him crazy. Have you ever seen a bird do that? Listen to him, you can hear him hitting that mirror. Nuts. Crazy bird in the mirror. Maybe he's trying to fly through the hole. Maybe he thinks it's a hole. Would he see trees and stuff in there? I don't know. He was up at Rick's. I think Rick chased him down here. Alright everyone, that's the crazy bird in the mirror. I'd like to tell everybody thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Leave me a comment if you'd like. Till next time.